Yes, a black coffee is all I need. I've been in the metal game for quite some time, and I've just stumbled upon this name a few times here and there, but I never got the chance to actually listen to them. The band is called Serenity and Murder. They're from Japan. Apparently, they're doing this since 2009. Got a few records out, of which the newest one came out not too long ago. Actually, February 28th. It's called Timeless Reverie. And they got a song to go with that called God Forsaken. So I'm kind of intrigued because again, we don't get, well, let's say the span of attention is a bit limited from what we get from Japan over here in the media. So of course you have your Deer and Grey fans and everything. I'm a big Deer and Grey fan as well, and I'm expecting nothing short of nerdy and extreme. As if you know Japanese metal bands, they just do stuff differently. So yeah, let's see what they do. This is Serenity and Murder, God Forsaken. So God Forsaken, forgive me for not have found out about this band. So here we go. I said it, extreme, right? What is this? Chunky. Some. Okay. Nothing short of extreme so far. Where are we going with the vocals? Let's go! Damn, she's angry. I like it. That's intense. Ooh. I almost choked on that. Yes. Nice melody. Oh yeah, melodic death metal inspired stuff coming in as well. I like it. That is so reminiscent of like Gothenburg melodic death metal solo. I get a lot of At the Gates, but black metal as well. So. My man. I'm expecting like oh, the chunk. Okay. Okay, are we done? We are done. Damn, that was kind of not what I expected, to be fair. Again, like I said, many Japanese bands or inspired metal bands from Japan do stuff differently. This is a lot of influences from, I think so, to the melodic death metal scene, the Swedish melodic death metal scene, or even some extreme black metal. Like I got a lot of Winter Sea. I'm not sure if you know the band. I see some echoes of them. Some epic scaling in terms of the background, like the background chorus and the atmosphere, symphonic kind of element. It's quite a nice touch. I think I got some homework to do. I'm intrigued. It's not obviously is well produced. That is for sure. Some flaws here and there, especially with I feel like her voice is not getting through enough. She has like quite an interesting voice, not as guttural or as harsh. It's like kind of well balanced, but it doesn't get through that well. So I have to check out the record, Timeless Review, to actually make an proper opinion out of it. So, but yeah, I mean, this is straight up. This is straight up my alley as well. So I will definitely check out the record. I suggest that you do the same. And with that said, yeah, that was Serenity Murder, Godforsaken, and yeah, see you next time for the next reaction video. Cheers.